Hi guys, today we're going to take a look at solving one-step trig functions. So the first thing I like to do is look at my theta angle. My theta angle is 60, so I'm going to quickly label my sides. So across the theta angle is my opposite side, across the 90-degree angle is my hypotenuse side, and then this x is the unknown is my adjacent side. So I have a and h, so I'm going to use cosine. So I'm going to say the cosine of 60 degrees, I'm going to make sure to put it over 1 because it's a ratio, is equal to x over 8. We're going to quickly cross multiply. We're left with the cosine of 60 degrees times 8 is equal to 1 times x. 1 times x is x. Cosine of 60 degrees is 1/2 times 8. 1/2 times 8 is 4. So I know my adjacent angle is equal to 4.